Hi everyone, it's Angela Barthel here, and today I'm coming to you to show you how to work your lip liner. First, let's start with Lip Keep. This product is invisible, but it helps grab the pigment and keep it on your lips. So you want to start off by using it like a lip liner and doing the outer perimeter of your lips. Blot. And then you want to go back in places where you tend to lose your color the quickest. I always say go in and fill in a little bit more. This will not only grab and hold the pigment, but help keep it on a lot longer. Good to use when you're using more sheer colors and you don't want to have to reapply. And good to, even if you're using a bolder color like a red, to kind of keep it nice and bold and it doesn't fade on you as quickly. Next, I'm gonna use our lip liner in Chic to line the outer perimeter of my lips. I always like to start at the Cupid's bow and then work my way around. And then the middle of the bottom part of my lip. Once I get the definition of my lip the way I want it, I'll go back in with a lip color. Today I'm going to use a Lip Chic. It's like a hybrid between a lipstick and a lip gloss, which is what I love the most about it. Blot, and you have that defined lip. You can also go back in if you wish and define your Cupid's bow. Blot again, and you're done. So for this tip and other techniques, go visit Chantecaille.com, or you can visit our Chantecaille YouTube channel. Bye.